Hey guys, this is Jeff and Mike. Today we're going to go over the weekly maintenance for the CS7 blocker. So weekly maintenance for a CS7 blocker is going to include lubricating the shaft with 1 drop of a 3-in-1 oil, verifying that the axis and centering's aligned, and then we're going to verify the drop in the inset. So Mike's going to go ahead and start off by lubricating the shaft with some 3-in-1 oil. So in order to do this, you're just going to put a small drop of oil right on the shaft itself. Then you can use your hand to kind of make sure to get it all over the front and back of the shaft. Make sure it's fully lubricated. And then that's that. Alright, next we're going to move on to verifying the axis and center alignment. In order to do this, you're going to need a block as well as a calibration disc. So that will look like this. So Mike's going to go ahead and show us how to verify our axis and center alignment. So he's going to go ahead and insert the block into the block holder. Then he's going to go ahead and get the plate lined up. Once he gets it lined up, I'll show you guys what it looks like on the display. And then we're going to go ahead and we're going to block it up. Now while you're doing this, make sure to try to get it as close as possible. If you accidentally have it off center a little bit, it's going to mess up your calibration. So Mike's got it calibrated, or lined up. So we'll zoom in. You can see that the crosshairs that are on the plate are perfectly lined up with the 0 and 180 line. So now that we got that done, Mike's going to go ahead and block it. And then he's going to go ahead and remove the calibration disc. Once you do this, there's a couple things that he's going to look for. On your block itself, you have lines that go horizontally as well as vertically. You're going to check and make sure that those line up. And then you're also going to look right through the center of the block, through the hole, to see if you can see the crosshair. So Mike's checking that right now, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like here in a second. Alright, so Mike's already went ahead and verified it. So a couple things we're looking for here. You want to make sure your lines coming off the side, those are lined up as well as it vertically. And then if you flip it over and look at the back side, I'll show you what you guys can look for too. Alright, and then from the back side, you should be able to see this. So you can see how the crosshairs go right through the dead center of our block. One other tip too is on the actual adhesive itself, you can trim off that extra piece to make it a little bit easier to see where your lines are running. Alright, so we went ahead and we verified the axis and centering alignment. Everything looked good for us. Now if for some reason that didn't look correct, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and manually adjust this. So in order to do so, you're going to use an Allen key, and you're going to go ahead and you're going to loosen the 2 bolts that Mike's pointing to right now. So you got one there and one right there. You would go ahead and loosen those up. Once they're loosened up, you're going to go ahead and you're going to manually adjust the plate itself to get everything lined up properly. Once you do this, you're going to want to go ahead and tighten everything back down, and you're going to want to do your test lens again. Check it, see if everything's on, and if you need to make more adjustments, go ahead and do that. Alright, thanks for watching.